I just want to say something before, because no one has, it's a bit weird. But this is a cover of Stevie Lately's, what's it called again? But yeah, it's very different. It's Lately by Svevie Wonder, like you've never heard it before.
Lately I've had the strangest feeling, with no vivid reason here to find, and yet the thought of losing you's been hanging around my mind. Far more frequently you're wearing perfume, with you say no special place to go. And then I ask, will you be coming back soon? And you don't know, you never know. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. Well, I'm a man of many wishes. I hope my premonition misses what I feel. My eyes start to hide, 'cause I start to cry. This time could mean goodbye. Lately I've been staring at the mirror, very slowly picking me apart, trying to tell myself I have no reason with your heart. Just the other night while you were sleeping, I vaguely heard you whisper someone's name, and then I ask you of the thoughts you're keeping. So nothing's changed. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. Well, I'm a man of many wishes. I hope my premonition misses, and what I feel, my eyes won't let me hide, 'cause I start to cry. This time could mean goodbye. I'm so in love, I'm so in love. Goodbye. I'm so in love. Goodbye. I'm so in love. Goodbye.
Jubilee! Wow. I guess, come on, I'm going to be singing this song, but I do want to just highlight
that young gentleman and Laura, who unfortunately is ill, these guys received special recognition awards at Coventry's Young Entertainer event, which is an annual event which takes place this year, tomorrow. But these two guys were runners and received special awards, and they're absolutely amazing. Don't you agree? Yeah.